So being here, I'm not a coach, but I do sometimes fill in and just help whenever needed. I do hear so many stories, and I just love to hear how OsteoStrong has helped each and every one of our members, from having knee problems to neck problems, shoulder problems. They leave and they're like, I'm feeling better. I have a very good friend of mine that comes, and she hurt her hip, and within a few sessions, she's feeling so much better. It's just makes me so happy that we can make a difference in all the members' lives here. And so I'm excited to be a part of OsteoStrong, and happy to be here. Go OsteoStrong.